everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I've been inspired by Paul Start Art's recent video. It's an injection painting, and he used oranges and not the same colors that I'm going to be using today. I had decided to go with a navy blue, plummy purple, deep magenta, and another plum, but it's more of a red plum, and the cadmium yellow light hue. So the only ones I didn't have to mix to make the colors was the cadmium yellow light hue, Artist Lock deep magenta, and white. So the three plums and the navy I had to mix, and I used a variation of cobalt blue, Prussian blue, dioxazine purple, a red, because red and blue makes purple, and a tad of black. All mixed with floetrol to a fluid consistency, and I went ahead and loaded up my injection syringes, and it's got a nice fat, I wouldn't call that a needle, it's not a pointy needle like a regular needle. It's something you would use to apply glue I bought from Amazon. So I'm excited about this one. I've got all my colors figured out, and I just have to figure out what canvas I want to put it on. Do I want to put on a gallery rack 12 by 24, or should I go with something smaller for my first time out? But sometimes I have beginner's luck, and I don't want to, and I wish I had put it on a bigger canvas in the first place. So I don't know, I might go ahead and I wanted to show you guys really quick, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. This is the painting I did on my last video, and I had told you guys that I meant to pour this as a background pour, and you can see the drawing of the seahorse here, which the drawing is very intricate. If I paint it, it won't be that intricate, but the shape of the seahorse on this. And a lot of you are saying in my pouring groups, leave it alone, it's beautiful, but I'm really on the fence, because I also think that I may be able to, can you see that seahorse on there? I could pour this background again. It's just that easy, you know, it's just one of those easy background pours. It won't be exactly the same, it never is, but you get my meaning. So I don't know, my husband's been helping me out with a little bit of drawing and stuff. He's the artist in the family when it comes to drawing things. And sometimes I mess around with tracing and stuff. That's about all I can do. Anyway, I'm gonna get down to business. We're gonna get to the painting, and I'll see you guys at the painting table. Okay, here we are, everybody. I've already covered the sides just to make sure I got some paint on the sides and wet it down. I'm going to go ahead and start with the background. Go ahead and start. the white. More white. Okay, hopefully that's gonna move and it's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna put this on cold. So I know some of you don't like it when I use my mouth. I've had some comments, but it's kind of my painting and I want to see what I can make happen here with my mouth. It's really kind of thin, so it's not moving a whole lot. Let's see what I can do if I can add some more paint. It's experiment time, so time to play. Go in with some brighter pink here. really liking that. Really liking this. Really interesting. Just a little yellow here because this looks like the oddball out here. Got some green, I'm not sure how I feel about that. You mess with it too much, things go crazy. I don't know, I might have screwed it up. Let me look at it for a minute. You know, there's no rules, guys. It's your painting. You can do whatever you want with it. You really can. It's all original. Play. Have fun. And now it's turning into something better. Really glad I did that. Heart was pounding when I did it, but it was really muddy. Well, not muddy, but just a really light, and it didn't look right. kind of want to do this too. I know y'all are yelling at me. Stop! Stop messing with it. But I have a gut feeling on this. Nice. Oh, I like that much better. Oh, I love this. Just need a little more of that blue color, which is a mix, of course, and I don't have it on hand. Come on, baby. Right here. There. I just have to stop touching it with my finger. Oh, you guys. That was fun. That was really fun. That's what it's all about. Having fun, right? Very cool, guys. I'm loving this. Ooh, that was a nice little addition. Alright guys, I think I'm finally done messing with it. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Okay everybody, there it is. Really interesting. Interested to see how this is going to dry. I really am. See how the yellow looks when it dries. See if that was a huge mistake or not. We shall see. I think I like it. Hope you guys do too. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye now.